Got an old hose reel with some dry rotted hose on it. Need to replace the hose. I'll show you how to do that. First thing I'm going to do is take off this stopper here and relieve all of the tension from the reel. I've let all the air out of the hose. Got it disconnected from the compressor here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this hose off here. I'm going to save this. I'll need that piece for my new hose. Now, there's not much tension here. I'm going to go ahead and slide this off. I'm going to have to lubricate this. Got a little soapy water. Now, this should slide right off. I want to save this for the new hose as well. I'm going to go ahead and relieve the rest of the spring tension. Make it safe. Now I'm going to remove the reel from the bracket with these 3 bolts here. Now this screw here is the last thing holding this reel on. Now I just need to unwrap the old hose, attach the new hose here. So I slice this open to expose the connection. The new hose through. Make sure there's Teflon tape on the fitting. Screw it in. Alright, now I'm going to wind the hose up on the reel without torquing the spring. I've got that all wound up. Now I'm going to put it back up here. Put the brackets back together, tighten everything down. So get some spring tension, just a little bit. And then hand wind it back up. Okay, now you can thread it through here. Then put your stoppers on there. So I couldn't get this back on over this, so I just left it off and put this stop on over the got the stopper on, got a quick connect on there, ready to go. That's how that works.